Many of you have asked, is there a program out there that I can watch where my students are going or what they're doing and have them participate in my class? I bring you Nearpod. Nearpod is a presentation software that allows you to collect data to see what your students are doing, all visible learning, and lets you know if they're currently enrolled in your class or not. For example, when you create your lesson, and it's nothing more than creating a PowerPoint or Google Slide lesson, you select the lesson, you're given a code, and the students can join your class with that code, or you can send it to your Google Classroom. Once your students have entered a class, you can see up in the corner you have your students. It's green, and it shows you what students you currently have enrolled. At this point, you are in control of their screen. You control how fast or slow you now take your class. When you click the next slide, the students will now be, their Chromebooks will all go to the next slide as well. In this case, they'll all be going to a slide based upon a question. As students submit their work, you can see it immediately in real time right here. When you have an exemplar, you can click Share, and this share will now share to every single screen in the room. Unshare it, and you can share someone else's exemplar at the same time. Whatever you do on this screen is the exact same screen students are also seeing. Please keep in mind, do not project this onto the TV or an LCD projector. This is already on the individual computer. Do not project this. You would be sharing test scores with other students. You can also embed any presentation like Google right in there, and then students can take this at their own pace. You can do YouTube videos. You can do websites. Another question, see what the students say. Again, this is real time. If you had a question you wanted students to self-assess on or an exit statement, we can go back here and take a look and see where they fall. Once again, do not share this. This is a presentation that's on individual devices. Students do not see this screen. What they see is the question. When you're ready to go on, click Next. So a lot of stuff that you can do here, including circle, identification, pictures, images, for example. This real-time data gives you that visible learning that you're looking for. In this case, I can open up what they submitted. I can see it immediately, and if it's an exemplar, I can share it with everybody. One note, if you go ahead at this point and share this out, the person who has not finished their work will not be able to continue doing so. You will have to back up to go forward. Then at this time you can re-edit your assignment. This is a great tool to have. It works really well in all environments, and it's device agnostic. Oops, look up in the corner, it turned red. We can see that Jeff has now left our presentation. We can go talk to Jeff individually and say, Jeff, please re-enter Nearpod. And when Jeff comes back, this will turn green again. Check out Nearpod. If I can help you in any way, please let me know.